Exercises. A. Fill in the blanks. In the blank space, we are going to write the correct word. First one is all around us. So what is all around us? It is air, A-I-R. Second one, an empty balloon is heavier or lighter than a balloon full of air. An empty balloon is lighter than a balloon full of air. Third question, moving air is called wind, W-I-N-D. Fourth, a breeze is more or less powerful than a gale. Gale is more powerful. Okay, a breeze is gentle flow of or blow of air. So a breeze is less powerful than a gale. A wind vane tells us which way the wind is blowing. B. Place right mark on the things that need air to work. Television, it doesn't require air to work. Wooden wheel, it doesn't require air to work. Balloons, they require air so that they increase their size. Bicycle tire, they require air for their working or for the movement. Table and chairs, they do not require air, whereas football, so it requires air. C. Answer the following questions. What is present all around us and moves? It is air. Air is present all around us and moves. Name 3 things that work when there is wind. You can give these examples. Sailboat, kites, windmill. So these are the 3 things which works when there is wind. What is it that has the power to uproot trees? It is nothing but a strong wind called gale, G-A-L-E. D. Write 4 things that you know about air. The first has been done for you. Air is everywhere. Air is present all around us. Though we can't see, it is present. Air has weight. Air fills things. Air moves things. Higher order thinking skills. An empty glass has air in it. If we turn the glass upside down, will it still have air in it? An empty glass has air in it. Suppose if we turn the glass upside down, will it still have air in it? Yes, there will be air in it. Unless we will turn the glass upside down in water or some other media. So when we actually fill, it can be like it can be a powder. If the powder is actually filled inside in the empty glass, at that time the air will come out. Otherwise, when we fill water in the empty glass, at that time air will come out. Otherwise, the empty glass, if it is actually made upside down in air itself, there is air in it. It doesn't go. Only if water or some other materials, if it replaces the empty glass, then the air can go out. Otherwise, air will be present in it. Life skills. There are bits of paper on the table. You switch on the fan. What happens? The pieces of paper flutter or fly off the table in the breeze. Remember to put away light things or place something heavy like a book on them before you switch on the fan. Whenever we turn the fan on, so we should be cautious if there is paper or any light materials which is kept on the table. So it will fly away. It will be misplaced. So we need to keep heavier things on them so that they do not fly away. So due to air or wind. Fun activity. Make a handkerchief parachute. A parachute is a piece of cloth that fills with air and allows a person to come down slowly from a height. You will need a handkerchief, thin string, a cork, paper, scissors, sticky tape, a pencil, colors. Yeah. How you can make the parachute now? Cut 5 pieces of string. 5 or 4 pieces you can do. Here they have cut 4 pieces of string. Tie a piece of string to each corner of the handkerchief. To each corner of the handkerchief, you are going to tie the piece of the string. Take the remaining piece of string and tie it tightly around the middle of the cork. Cork means a small wooden piece, otherwise you get bottle cork. To close the opening of the bottle, the corks are used. A lightweight cork should be used for this activity. Tie the strings on the handkerchief to the string around the cork like this. So the ends of the strings are actually tied around the cork. Draw your parachutist. okay, on the paper and color him or her. So you need to make one small doll like, okay, with the help you can make what is it, a parachutist, a small doll. A doll can be drawn, okay, and even you can like what is it, with the help of a drawing sheet you can do that, and you can color him or her. Cut him or her out carefully and tape him or her to the cork. So you're going to like fix this parachutist to this particular cork. Now drop your parachute from the top of the staircase. You should be very cautious when you go up. Only with the guidance of your parent you should climb, and watch it float down. If you drop it from a good height, it will come down. Only when in the presence of parents you can try this activity. Okay, instead of like handkerchief you can also use plastic bag. Thank you.